What's up guys, your boy Big A here. So check this out, Cartooned has expanded their brand. Let's take a look at this new Cartooned Rigs. It has a custom car carrier. It holds up to 4 cars. So in this package you get the rig and you get the awesome 1987 Chevy C10 and the 1990 Chevy 454 SS. Very cool. Let's move on to this side here. We have the Cartooned Custom Shop series. Check this out guys. You get to cast your own wheels. So it's a 2-for-1 kind of deal. You get the decals, you have everything you need, the screwdriver, wheels. Very nice. This is a customizer's dream right here guys. Let's see if they have a different model here. This one being the 56 Chevy Nomad. Very cool. I wish the orange paint was on this guy right here. So let's take a look at Series 5. You get the 57 Chevy Bel Air and the 64 Chevy Impala. Very cool. And last but not least, Cartooned is in the JDM game. Check this out. You got the 1985 Toyota Corolla, the 1993 Toyota Supra, the 1983 Toyota Celica, the 2022 Toyota GR Supra. Wow. Check out that card out, guys. We have the 2022 Toyota GR86. Very nice. We have the 1985 Toyota Sprinter. Oh man, this is pretty cool. 1971 Toyota Celica GT. And the last one of the mix, we have the 1976 Toyota Celica. Very cool. So there you have it guys. Hit your targets, they're hitting now. Hope you like them. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.